If there's one thing I love, beside my wife of course, has got to be a good gadget. Especially a gadget that fits on my desktop, makes a lot of lights and sounds, and may be totally unnecessary to your day-to-day life. Hey guys, welcome back to ShellTech. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right down below. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the Divoom Ditoo, a totally retro product that I've been looking forward to unboxing. I'd like to thank Divoom for sending me out the Ditoo so I can give a totally honest review. So let's unbox, set up, and test the Divoom Ditoo Pixel Art Bluetooth portable speaker. So right off the bat in the package, you're getting a very good quality gift bag, which isn't very common with tech products nowadays. I guess it's in case you want to give the Ditoo as a gift, which is pretty nice to have. The speaker comes in a hard black case with a clear front door and a nice rubber handle. So you have a handy carrying case when taking the speaker out with you on trips or outings. Now opening the case is easy by pushing the button on the side to release the front door. So taking an overview look at the Ditoo straight out of the box, I'm really feeling the retro design. I think Divoom has really captured the look and feel of the arcade vibe of my youth. Yep, I'm really that old. This small 1.78 pound gloss black retro looking speaker may be a fingerprint magnet on the outside, but on the inside Divoom packs the Ditoo with a crazy amount of features. It feels solidly built and attractive with a 3.55 inch LED display to show a wide range of pixel art. On top is an upward firing speaker, and on the rear of the Ditoo is a surprisingly powerful bass port to enhance any type of music you play. What else comes in the Ditoo carrying case is a USB-C cable, which I'm really glad to see. A lot of companies like to give a micro USB to save costs. Then we have a pretty comprehensive multilingual user manual, and then a couple of sheets of pixel stickers. The Ditoo comes in 6 different unique color themes and goes for under $100. So let's set it up. On the right side of the speaker, you have a Type-C connector for charging the device. In the middle is the on-off button, which also can be pressed to check battery life. And then you have a micro SD card slot, so you can use your Ditoo as a standalone speaker without having to connect your phone. So let's set it up and see what this gadget can do. With a push of the on-off button, the Ditoo and its 8-bit pixel art animations spring to life. Ready to be used as a standalone gadget, or when Bluetooth connected to your phone, an artistic, versatile, creative, multi-purpose desktop device. So the Ditoo is using Bluetooth 5.0 with about 30 feet of solid connection. With 256 programmable LEDs, you can make your own pixel art with over 60 million color choices using the Divoom app. So let's check out that Divoom app. There are so many features for this Ditoo. I won't be able to show you everything, but I'm going to show you a few things. I think what is my favorite thing about the Ditoo, and I think most people would tend to agree, has got to be the pixel art animation. You can take the time and design your own animations, but what really is amazing is the community of pixel art designers all over the world designing amazing works of art to work on this little desktop device. Of course, the Ditoo shows itself to be an amazing clock and a smart alarm. You can leave the Ditoo plugged in next to your bed for time and alarm, but it also can provide you white noise or soothing sounds so you can get to sleep faster and more restful. An interesting function on the Ditoo is the DJ mixer. You can compose and play full beats and play a selection of different musical instruments within the Divoom app. And honestly, the sound is pretty realistic and sounds pretty good. Of course, there are games you can play from the app or from the physical keys. Other features are a countdown timer, noise meter, a scoreboard for head-to-head games. So many features are included with the Ditoo. The Ditoo is also a great desk notification system where you can get your IG, Facebook alerts, receive and answer calls, see text messages, and connect to a whole host of chat apps. Taking a closer look at the durable mechanical keyboard, which has a very pleasing click. There's a manual key in bright orange, which takes you through all the functions using the left and right arrows. You can go through game, settings, alarms, and music. Plus and minus keys are for the volume, and holding down the arrow key will change the display brightness. Pressing the little sun button will cycle you through different animations, and the lever button will allow you to play, pause music, and also functions as a select button as well. Now let's take a look at this surprisingly good desktop speaker with punchy bass and clear highs. So that was a look at the Divoom Ditoo. With its amazing audio and visual experiences, retro design, build quality, and so many useful features packed into a small Bluetooth speaker. So much so, this little D2 portable speaker is going to live on my desk for a very long time. I'll leave a link down below where you can pick one of these babies up for yourself. If you have any questions or comments about the speaker, also drop me a note down below. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and don't forget to check out my other tech reviews coming up now. Thanks for watching.